Hey everyone. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get what you want no matter what. No matter what's happening in your life, this is how you get what you want, okay? And how you get what you want, right? So say you've got something going on in your life, like you've got all sorts of, situations, circumstances, trials, whatever you want to call it, right? And how you get what you want is you believe this. This belief is going to be really cool for you. So let me know what you think in the comments. How you get what you want is you believe that no matter what is happening in my life, I get to have what I want, right? Because whatever's being presented in front of you, right, doesn't mean you're not going to get what you want. But sometimes we tell ourselves that because this thing's happening, we're not going to get what we want. But the thing is this. You could be still getting what you want, because this could be what some people call a bridge of incidents or synchronicities to get you to where you are going, right? So if you're looking at it like, oh my God, why is this happening? And you're creating all this stuff within you that you just really don't need to do, okay? Because if you just say to yourself, no matter what is happening right now in my life, I still get to manifest what I want, or I still get to have what I want. Let me know in the comments if you like this belief, because this is such an awesome belief. And this has been helping me so much, because when I see things in my 3D that I'm not really wanting or liking, I say to myself, it's all right. Doesn't matter what's happening, because I'm going to get what I want anyway. I'm going to manifest what I want no matter what's happening right now in this three-dimensional reality, right? And it just releases a lot of stress, because like I said, this could be a synchronicity. This, whatever you're deeming to be bad, could be happening to get you to where you want to go, right? Could be the bridge of incidents or the synchronicities, however you want to describe it, getting you to where you want to go, right? So let me know in the comments, are you going to adopt this belief that no matter what is happening in my life, I still get to get what I want, or I still get to manifest what I want? Because this will serve you well. It'll release a lot of stress, and you can enjoy the journey, because no matter what's happening in your life right now, you still get to get what you want. Love it. All right, let me know if you've liked it. Make sure you hit the thumbs up if you've liked the video, so I know to bring more to you, and subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell, because when you hit the bell notification, you're then notified of when I do upcoming videos and readings and trainings and whatever I'm doing in here on the channel. And yeah, love having you here. Let me know if you like it, and I'll chat to you all soon. And happy manifesting, because no matter what is happening in your 3D reality, you still get to have what you want. Yay!